give this more stop.
Okay. Alright, just hold that foot.
Okay, you gotta hold it still.
Right there, okay?
Okay, hold really still.
Real now.
What?
My toe real has supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yep.
I just fell asleep.
Just roll your knee over for us, okay? There you go.
I think I can feel some kind of feel it. But maybe I really can't.
Okay, just hold still, okay?
I don't go back to sleep.
Okay, you can go back to sleep.
I don't know. Didn't I see over there?
What?
Didn't I see over there?